Have you ever wondered why some secrets never seem to leave the shadows? What if I told you there's a secret society that has influenced history for centuries, pulling strings behind kings, presidents, and even the world's most powerful organizations? Today, we're diving into the mysterious and controversial world of the Freemasons. Make sure you stick around because by the end you'll question everything you thought you knew about power, influence, and hidden networks. Before we begin, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever suspected a secret society might be controlling global events? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. I want to know what you think. And if you enjoy exploring hidden truths like this, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest mysteries. Freemasonry is one of the oldest and most mysterious organizations in history. Officially, it's a fraternity that traces its roots back to the medieval stonemason guilds of Europe. But conspiracy theorists believe the truth is far more sinister. Some claim the Freemasons have secretly orchestrated major historical events, from revolutions to the rise of entire nations, all while hiding in plain sight. Imagine this: symbols embedded in architecture, handshakes that signal membership, and rituals designed to indoctrinate generations. Could these be harmless traditions, or could they be a covert way to maintain control over powerful networks across the globe? Here's a question for you. Have you ever noticed mysterious symbols in old buildings or government buildings? Could they be linked to Freemasonry? Comment below with any examples you've spotted. You might be surprised what others have seen. The Freemasons' origins are shrouded in mystery. The official story says they began in the late Middle Ages as stonemasons' guilds in England and Scotland. But conspiracy theorists suggest something much older. Some claim that secret knowledge was passed down from ancient civilizations, Egyptian, Babylonian, even pre-Christian orders. The Masonic belief system is built on symbolism, the square and compass, the all-seeing eye, and even secret numbers that appear in art and architecture worldwide. Are these just coincidences, or are they markers of a hidden network influencing humanity? Take a moment to think about your city or town. How many buildings, monuments, or coins have you seen with mysterious symbols? Share your discoveries in the comments. Let's see if we can map this hidden world together. Throughout history, Freemasons have included some of the most powerful and influential figures: George Washington, Benjamin Franklin, Winston Churchill, and even Mozart. Many leaders of revolutions, both political and social, were allegedly Masons. But why does this matter? Conspiracy theorists argue that these members weren't just shaping their countries, they were shaping the entire world order. Freemasons allegedly influenced the founding of the United States, the French Revolution, and even secret banking networks that control global economies. Here's a question for you. If a secret society really controls world events, how much of our freedom is real? Comment your thoughts. I'm curious how deep you think the rabbit hole goes. And don't forget, if you find this fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe to uncover more hidden truths. Freemasonry is a world obsessed with symbols. The square and compass represents morality and ethics. The all-seeing eye represents divine oversight, or, as some theorists suggest, surveillance by those in power. The pentagram, hidden in architecture and art, might indicate secret messages left for insiders. Even modern city layouts, including Washington, D.C., are said to reflect Masonic designs. Conspiracy theorists point to patterns in streets, monuments, and government buildings that align with Masonic principles. Could this be coincidence, or deliberate planning? Think about this. Have you ever noticed repeating symbols on buildings or coins? What about mysterious hand gestures in public ceremonies? Share your sightings in the comments. Some of them may shock you. One of the most controversial theories is that Freemasons are part of a larger network often referred to as the Illuminati. According to theorists, these organizations work behind the scenes to control global politics, finance, and media. Some even suggest that wars, economic crashes, and political upheavals were orchestrated to consolidate power and wealth into the hands of a few elites. Could the Freemasons be silently steering humanity toward a global agenda? What's your take? Do you believe hidden societies could manipulate world events? Comment below and share your thoughts. Some ideas might surprise even seasoned conspiracy theorists. Freemason rituals are highly secretive. Initiates pass through ceremonies that are said to teach moral lessons, but conspiracy theorists claim they indoctrinate members into a hidden ideology. Some reports even suggest that secrets of power and influence are shared only with higher-degree Masons. Rituals involve specific handshakes, signs, and even oaths. Could these be merely symbolic, or could they serve as a method to control powerful members? Imagine a network where everyone owes allegiance to an invisible code. It's not just a fraternity, it's a hidden hierarchy with potential global reach. Have you ever heard of these rituals or seen depictions of them in media? Comment if you have. Some depictions might reveal truths that mainstream sources ignore. Today, Freemasonry still exists in nearly every country. Members range from politicians to business leaders, and even celebrities. Some argue that the organization's influence is diminishing, while others warn that its reach has adapted to modern times, quietly influencing decisions behind closed doors. Freemasons maintain that their society is charitable, philanthropic, and focused on moral development. But skeptics argue that philanthropy can be a cover for networking and influence, an elite club shaping society according to its own rules. Here's a thought experiment. If powerful networks are shaping the world quietly, how much of the news, politics, or even education is truly independent? Comment with your opinions. I'd love to see your perspectives. Many historic events have been linked to Freemasonry and conspiracy theories: the American and French revolutions, the creation of central banks, alleged manipulation of wars and economic crises. Some theorists claim that Freemasons are involved in modern shadow governance, influencing policy decisions, international agreements, and even global crises. The question isn't just what they've done, but what they might be planning now. Think about your daily life. Could global events be influenced by forces you can't see? Comment if you believe that some world events are not what they seem. You've probably seen the all-seeing eye on the back of a US dollar bill. Pop culture frequently references Masonic symbols from movies to music videos. Some claim this is evidence that Freemasons are embedding their influence in everyday life. The question is, are these symbols just artistic choices, or are they a secret language for those in the know? Could pop culture be a subtle way to normalize their presence in society? What symbols have you noticed in movies, games, or public spaces that made you pause? Comment below. I'm compiling the most interesting examples for future videos. Of course, many argue that the conspiracy theories are exaggerated. They say Freemasonry is just a social club with a love for tradition and rituals. But the allure of secrecy, combined with centuries of influential members, continues to fuel speculation. Some researchers emphasize critical thinking, distinguishing between verifiable facts and speculative theories. But even skeptics admit one thing: the mysterious aura of Freemasonry has kept people intrigued for centuries. Have you ever tried researching Freemasonry yourself? What did you find? Share your experiences below. It could help others see things from a new perspective. The Freemasons are, without a doubt, one of history's most enigmatic organizations. Whether you see them as a benevolent fraternity or a secretive power network, their influence is undeniable. The question remains, how much of our world is shaped behind closed doors, and how much is visible to us? I want to hear your thoughts. Do you believe in hidden societies influencing global events, or is it all coincidence? Drop your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into secrecy and power, make sure to like this video, share it with friends who love mysteries, and subscribe to my channel for more explorations into hidden truths. Until next time, stay curious, and always question what's presented on the surface.